Okay.
Hi, my name is Daniel. Today I'm going to present about history. Um, this unit was about reconstruction and its end. The major topic include why was lynching blacks and why was blacks power and they made a group that named KKK. The KKK is a Kung Klux Klan, so the Democrats made this group and this group for intimidate the blacks to not have power. Um, this group killed the blacks by lynching, killed them, and made their bodies not able to recognize. Yes. Um, what I learned. One of the major things I learned was the slave didn't have any right and was where the people with more power. So learning about Reconstruction and its end in my history class impacted my knowledge in several ways. And so one of the major things I learned was the slave didn't have any right and the white were the people with more power. This means the white treated the African American like slave because before the blacks were slaves, but in 1865 the slave ended. The slavery started in 1690. So how is this knowledge impact to my understanding of this topic? This knowledge is impact because the law of today say nobody has the right to treat us bad. So because in history class, African America were not a slave anymore at the time of Reconstruction, and the Republicans helped the Africans to get their right. So some of the right the Republican gave the African American were a right to have a school, right to have home, and a right to have land. So um, another thing I learned was the cause and effect. The South white one more poor, the African black, whereas like many African died. So Democrats made one group of scared of blacks. That I say before the Ku Klux Klan. Wait. This will impact because now I know how the white treat the blacks people and how the slave has difficult work conditions. Um, what did I learn to do? In this unit, I learned about the diet quiz. The diet quiz was sharing idea and like what I learned. This diet quiz was our final project in history class, so it's for to improve our grade, but also we learn about the, the reconstruction. So how can I use this skill in school or my life? This skill is important because when I explain that shows that I understand and also practice my English. What did I learn to do? In this unit, I also learned how to take evidence from videos, some lyrics, and writing. Um, how can I use this skill in school or my life? This skill is important because this helps me to find strong evidence. Example of how I found the evidence was when we did the paraphrasing about the song that talk how badly the whites treat the blacks. What English skills that improve my during this point? I improve the way I speak to be understood, listen to understand when I share my opinion and knowledge with my partner. So how will this help me in life and in other classes to learn more? If I'm able to explain reconstruction will help me to have a better knowledge about U.S. history. Also, as a student, now that I can understand different ideas that my own, this would make me a better student because now I know how were the most important event and difference between white and black. So what is English skill improvement during this period? I improved the way I discuss differences in idea when I did the diet. This diet helped me by sharing the different ideas that we have. Then if we have different opinion, we talk about it and we come with one idea. Conclusion. In conclusion, this semester in U.S. history has changed me because learning about reconstruction and its end taught me now knowledge, skill, and English development practice which already impact me. That is, I don't know how to say it.
Noticeably.
Noticeably. By doing the diet quiz, I learned different opinions and what other people think about this issue. And by doing the end of reconstruction and station rotation, I improved the way I paraphrase, analyze, and my English by speaking with my partner in English. So, thank you for listening. So, I don't have questions.
Too bad. Too bad. We have to ask you some questions. So the yellow paper on your table, yellow paper has some questions. Here's one for you.
How many questions do you want? 6?
I don't have
Well, this is construction, right?
Yeah.
So I have another one.
That difficult one. Okay.
I can give you one also.
¿Cuál era el
Okay,
propósito
I
de la
can. Oh,
reconstrucción?
thanks.
¿Cuál era el propósito de la
Okay,
reconstrucción?
hold on. Let's get the whole group together. Almost ready. Sorry. Okay, I got a question over here. Ready? Okay. You have a question? No? You have a question?
So, what was the purpose of reconstruction?
The purpose of reconstruction was to get the African American, to help African American by giving them economy and rights and food and education.
And one more thing. So, and what? What was?
Why?
Like, like this same question, but te falta una cosa. To end the slavery. To end the slavery.
Okay, we have.
The slavery actually was ended in that time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. Yeah.
Whatever.
Okay. Okay,
Why
another
did the
question. Another
reconstruction-
question.
I have question.
Okay.
Why did the reconstruction end?
What?
The what?
Why did the reconstruction end?
I don't know how you
yeah.
say it.
Reconstruction. Why did reconstruction
Why?
end? Yeah.
And
Polish.
okay.
Oh, I think so because the Democrats create a group of KKK, and let the group try to scare the African Americans so that the African American can have power, alright?
And why didn't the North help? The North, before the war, the North said, we want to end slavery. And then Reconstruction, they have schools, they have some, food, you said, like education, like jobs. But then the KKK comes and scares everyone. Why didn't the North help them?
It's difficult. Why you ask me that question? I don't know.
Because
I
can you
don't
help her?
No.
I don't like it.
Okay, you can say, what do you have an idea?
Yeah, Miss Murray said that the North didn't help the South because the Northerners were like bored about to help them because como ya estaban cansados.
They were tired.
They were tired.
After the war, they fought so many years.
So that's why the North didn't.
Okay.
No question. No
Okay,
question.
so question? More questions?
I was just going to think exactly.
You want to add on to the idea? Okay, you can add, yeah.
Also because the North wanted to focus on their own issues.
They wanted to focus on their own issues, they had their own problems, they wanted to
The Southerners wanted to get power again.
and the Southerners wanted to get power again. Okay, everyone has a lot of ideas, good. Now more questions, okay.
No.
Yes, okay. So I want to ask you, Tanya, can you explain, so you said you improve the way that you discuss the differences when you have the dyad quiz, people had different opinions, they came with one idea. So what did you improve? What was really new in this class? What did you do differently that you never did before in this dyad that you really improved?
I don't know. I don't know.
So, do you remember what you said in the dyad or what your partner said?
No.
Okay, we'll go to a different. Okay, so when you said you talked about taking evidence from the videos and from the song lyrics. How did you choose what evidence to take? How did you choose what part to use?
When I was with my partner, I thought it was different. We read and we listen, and I came with one idea, and then I asked my partner what she think. Actually, it was I girl, so what she think, and then she came with another idea. So we discussed then we come with one idea together.
Okay. Also, you said you improved paraphrasing. Your paraphrasing is better now. How do you improve it, or what is better now?
I know, because before I didn't know how to paraphrase, get the more important things, and now I just know a little bit how to paraphrase.
More questions?
So the question you finish it.
Not done yet.
What is the most challenging about doing the DNA reconstruction station relation?
I think explanation was that I don't know when we are listening, that we didn't look at that part because I don't know better I don't know English well, but it was like a big part for me to listen.
You listened to the songs or the voice?
Yeah, the song.
The song,
Yeah.
but you couldn't see the words.
No.
You only had to listen.
They speak like different like
Faster.
I don't know.
The speaking style is different.
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, that's more question. Yeah.
What is your perspective about reconstruction?
What?
What do you think about reconstruction?
Good question.
Before I thought the way was good people. Like actually now I feel like they are bad because they treat about the African American and
Wait, can you say that again? I didn't understand. They what?
before I thought the white were good people and I thought they were like helpful, but when I saw the video and what the white did to the blacks, I think now they are bad people.
All of them?
Not all of them, like
Almost done.
I have a question.
Yeah.
So, what was what was the most fun part about when you were learning about the reconstruction?
what?
What was
Like-
the most fun part?
Fun.
Fun.
Something
I
funny.
didn't have a part that was fun for me because when I listened to music, that made me sad. I know the music was too bad, and yeah.
It's not a very fun topic, is it?
Amazing, man.
Okay, Tanya, thank you very much. So.